Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to check RAM speed in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's start. First step is you need to search for command prompt at the bottom search bar, or you can just simply type CMD for short. Okay? Once done, go for run as administrator. The moment you click that, your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes, and this new window will appear. Here, you need to input the command WMIC memory chip get space speed. Okay, just simply pause this video to get a note of this command. Okay, so make sure that you input a correct command and you put a space between mic and memory chip and get speed and get and speed. Okay, once done, press enter to check. Okay, so as you can see in my speed, I have 3200 megahertz per second. And if you're using, since I'm using a 4 gigabyte of RAM, and if you're using a 2 gigabyte, then it will goes to 1000 something. Okay, so that's the first step on how to check the speed of RAM. The second one is just go to the start icon, do a right click, and go for Task Manager. Tap that to open. Okay, the moment you open your Task Manager, just expand it and go for Performance and go for Memory Usage. The second one. Okay, so once you're here, look at the bottom side of it and it has this speed. As you can see, mine is in 2933 MT per seconds. Okay, so that is the two ways on how to check the RAM speed in your Windows. If you think this video helps you, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.